Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yee! And today we're going to be reacting to a Mr. Nightmare video. Today's video is going to be scary videos caught on Ring doorbell cameras, Volume 3. Yeah, I can't wait. This one might give me the chills. It is raining, currently raining. So if you can hear my auto, it's because it's raining outside. But yeah, I'm still very sick. Yeah, so still got COVID. Yeah. Anyway, please subscribe. Turn the notification. I almost bleeped it out. Anyway, please subscribe. Turn those notifications and click the bell beside you. Anyway, let's jump right on to it, shall we? My room is very disgusting right now, only because I'm in lockdown. My room is usually a tiny bit more cleaner. It's usually a little messy a lot of the time, but it feels more messy and dirty. It's quite gross. I feel very quite gross, so yeah. Can't wait to jump into this video. Let's jump into this.
This is a part 3 of the scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. And once again, by the end of the video, you may consider getting one yourself.
I hate when Mr. Nightmare does that, like, and then does a jump scare. Not that I really get jump scared, but yeah. Heavily does it.
Footage that a viewer sent me. A person can be seen crouch walking towards his front door through his doorbell camera. The person was wearing a hat, face mask, and sunglasses, allowing none of his face to be seen.
Yeah, like not sus at all. Like this is not suspicious whatsoever.
After trying to open the front door and failing, the person starts to fiddle with the doorbell, noticing it's a video doorbell, so he probably tries to take it off. What likely happened was that when he realized that he couldn't get the doorbell unmounted without a special screwdriver, he started to hold his hand in front of the camera after ringing the bell. The viewer told me that this happened at 2 in the morning, and so when he heard his doorbell and ring notification go off, he instantly went to his phone to check who was at the door, only to see exactly what you're seeing. The man then walked past the doorbell to the side of the house, and by this point, the homeowner was on the phone with 911 reporting the incident. While on the phone with 911, the homeowner heard the doorknob to the side entrance door being fiddled with, and this was a door
Hell
that he had
no.
been known to leave unlocked accidentally from time to time. However, luckily on this night, that wasn't the case. Since the intruder couldn't simply walk in through either door, he started to say hello repeatedly through the door, in an off-putting tone that sounded so overly friendly that it was creepy. The 911 operator told the homeowner not to open the door or to even acknowledge the person.
No
The
shit.
person would then start to bang on the door for a few moments until seemingly giving up. The police showed up but couldn't help out much based on the video. Later that night, the homeowner received another notification that there was movement at his front door. When he checked the video feed, he couldn't see anyone. He still has no idea who was under that mask and glasses.
Yeah, no shit. That video is downright chilling. Like, it's just common sense not to open your door, especially at 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't care who you are. Like, unless you're like, someone I live with, or like, my partner, or like, I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a family member. If you are not living in my house and there is no reason for you to be here at 2 o'clock, don't answer the door. Like, simple as that. I wouldn't be answering the door at 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't care who you are. You could be my long lost cousin and I wouldn't give a shit. Like, That in and of itself is just disturbing. Unless you're like a hostage or something, I guess. Held captive, maybe. But then I'd be a bit sus. I'd be a bit weird that you're in my house, because I feel like then the person that is, you know, trying to look for you, and they see you coming into my house, they're gonna know what my house is gonna look like, and they're gonna like start stalking me. So in a way, I'm not gonna feel secure. I'm gonna feel very vulnerable at that point. So obviously, I wouldn't even like that be in that situation either. So yeah, yeah, just don't ring my doorbell at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's disturbing enough as it is.
Footage was also captured by a viewer's doorbell camera at their old house, which is still active while he tries to sell it. One morning at around 4:30 a.m., his cameras detected a man running from across the street from his neighbor's home, across his front yard, and up to his front door. The man was naked, with one of his
Wait,
hands
what?
blocking his privates.
What the hell? Why is he running naked?
The footage was caught from two angles. He was arrested a short while later by local police. He was apparently high on crystal meth, and he had removed his clothing due to a fear of snakes being inside of his clothes. He was running around the neighborhood knocking on doors and ringing doorbells yelling for help. The neighborhood is reportedly pretty quiet. The homeowner never had any sort of issues before this. In his words, he ran up my front yard onto my front porch and rang the doorbell. For the next minute or so, he was ringing the doorbell and knocking while pacing back and forth. He looked panicked, and his expression drifted from someone in pain to a look of pure crazy. And at one point,
That
said
is
he needs
pure
help.
crazy.
After that, he ran off back into the night. The guy was picked up by an officer around 5 a.m., not far from his house.
Yeah,
This footage is why you always check who's at your door before you open it, especially if you have a doorbell camera.
no shit. Yeah, that was very weird. He was randomly just running naked at late at night. There's more to that story. 100%. But anyway.
If someone who you don't know shows up to your door late at night, don't open it. Unfortunately, in this video, that's exactly what this homeowner did. Around 10 p.m. one night, a suspicious looking hooded man approaches the front door of a random house rather quickly and aggressively, and he right away tries to open the door. After realizing it's locked, he goes to ring the doorbell. Disappointingly, the homeowner opens the door rather quickly instead of
Yeah, why
checking
would
who's at
you?
his door at this hour first.
That is stupid. What, like, seriously? If you have a doorbell and you have footage, actual footage of someone just being sus as it is, this person looks sus as it is, you don't just randomly just open your door. You check for your security, or you can like talk through it. I don't really understand that kind of stuff, but you know what I'm talking about. Like talk through the door with the device. You don't need to open your door all the way. I don't care if you're a friendly human being. Like you don't know what these people's that this person's intention is, or these people's intention are. They, you know, people are dangerous. People, that's just stupid. What?
Around 10,
Like you're not already acting suspicious enough as it is. You got to open the door anyway. Yeah, he just opens it. He's got footage. He could have looked at it for his phone. Like what?
who are you? Good. You need to leave.
Like what if he had gun and he held you at gunpoint? Damn. Dramatic much?
The homeowner was likely too trusting a person, which
Yeah,
posed
no
danger.
shit.
Even his initial hi to the stranger at his door sounded overly friendly, considering the man was already creeping in the second the door was open. The homeowner pushes the man out, causing him to punch the glass of the door before it's even fully closed. The man then stands there for another minute or so, the doorknob a few times, though the rest of the footage is cut off. The dialogue is near impossible to completely make out, but it seemed the man was under the influence of drugs or alcohol and was likely attempting to burglarize the home. The homeowner called the police, but the man was gone by the time they arrived. It's unknown if he was found.
Yeah, like that's not suspicious whatsoever. Like seriously, why would you open your door? Yeah, you're too trusting. This is why I have trust issues. You don't know what people's intentions are. You don't know. They could be armed. They could be like you just open your door and the next minute, boom, you're dead. Like that's what. That's why you have your stupid camera device thing. That's why you got it, isn't it? In the first place, so why do you need to open the door? Just look through it. It's already sus enough. Jeez. Stupid person. Woo! I can't look at that. I'm eating ice cream right now. Got ice cream all over my face. My heart jumped a couple of times, but whoo, Mr. Nightmare, stop with these jump scares. If I saw that at my door, if I looked through my camera on my phone and I saw that at my door, I would have a heart attack and probably die. Mm. That's why you always check your footage before opening the door. Imagine you opened the door and you saw this motherfucker. Hell no.
It was posted from the owner of a ring camera and a Facebook group to caution others. The woman warned in her post to beware a strange man wearing a white mask lurking around the neighborhood after her camera
Yeah,
caught
he's
him
got
trying to
hole
escape
cut
her
out. You
home
can
a
see his
little after
face
10
through
p.m.
there.
one night. The woman said, "I just want my neighbors to be aware and safe. Please, if possible, share this post. Screenshots are welcome." Not sure what colors he was wearing, but had a hoodie and jeans on. The disturbing picture shows the man in the mask looking directly into the camera. This is exactly the type of image that you'd never want or expect to see come up on your doorbell camera footage. But it's also the kind of image that would make you sure as hell grateful that you had one.
Yeah, I would be definitely grateful that I had one.
Man walking around close to the front doors.
Why are you doing zoom ins of that picture? I'm disturbed by that picture. I need a moment to myself.
On May 1st, 2020, around 9:40 p.m., around the beginning of the COVID lockdown, a 45-year-old dad, Raymond Hawkins, opened the door to who he believed to be a delivery driver dropping off a parcel. Due to new methods of delivery at the time because of COVID, the alleged delivery driver backed away from the front door to supposedly keep his distance and claimed he needed to take a picture of the package at the doorstep, something many delivery drivers must do for more expensive packages.
But they don't, huh? Hold on.
At this time, the father had his guard down due to the fact that he had no idea the man in front of him wasn't a delivery driver, that he was in fact part of a gang that was about to storm into his house, all of whom armed with knives.
What the hell? That'd be scary. I would hate to be put in that situation, that scenario. That poor family. Some people are horrible. Go for 3 minutes, over 3 minutes. Jeez. Holy shit. The fuck? Hey, he's got Larry. Good on you. Good on the family.
Christopher Sargent, the fake delivery driver, lunges at Raymond with a knife and attacks attacks him when he goes to pick up the package, while three other masked men follow from behind. Muffled cries come from the house as there's a struggle between Raymond, his wife, and the robbers. The robbers are only in the house for a few moments before being seen fleeing the house with thousands of dollars worth of items. Raymond and his son suffered non-life threatening injuries, while his sons were described to be worse. Two of the culprits would be arrested, Anthony Lascelles and Christopher Sargent, who were both charged with aggravated burglary and possession of a knife. The other two culprits were never found. One thing that can be learned from a lot of
Yeah,
these videos is that some people will go to crazy lengths to trick other people. The major red flag in this case was that the supposed delivery was taking place at 9:40 p.m., which is way past the time any notable delivery company will deliver packages.
yeah, it's usually around about 7 things stop. I feel like between like 9 o'clock in the morning and 7 o'clock at night is when delivery should be around. Like anywhere past 7 o'clock, you shouldn't be delivering anything to my home. You know, I say the same thing about after 10 o'clock in the night time. You shouldn't be knocking at my door. I don't know when delivery stops, but it's usually around 9 till about 7. Usually 10 hours. Yeah, that's red flags out the ass anyway, as it is like 9:40, and someone's delivering 9:40 at night, not 9:40 in the morning. I wouldn't be answering my door. That's sus. That's suspicious.
The latest being 7 p.m.
There you go, 7 p.m. There. What did I tell you? There you go, 7 p.m. That's right.
20. This was the footage taken by the ring doorbell of a viewer's friend Kayla in a small California town. Kayla was being stalked by her crazy former friend Thomas, who became obsessed with her over time and would constantly express his alleged love for her, despite her telling him numerous times that she didn't feel the same way.
No, I
The
hate
week
that.
that this footage was taken, Kayla was bombarded with texts and voicemails from Thomas.
Yeah, uh, people that have obsessions with other people, you are a what's the word I want to look for the right word to use. I don't want to use some random word. Who are obsessive love disorder. Yeah, you've got an obsessive love disorder. That's an actual thing. Someone who's fixated on people and someone who objectively wants to just go out of their way to want to have feelings for someone and make them feel very uncomfortable. And that's what exactly what this person is delivering. Putting out voicemails, texting this random person, and this person wants nothing to do with them. I knew there was a disorder for it. I just didn't know what the disorder was called again. But it's obsessive love disorder. Look it up. I'm not making up this shit. Yeah. Anyway,
And as you can see, if you care to pause the video and read some of the text,
yeah, I'm gonna read some of the text. I'm so sorry this upset you. It doesn't sound that
what
dramatic.
seems to be Kayla accepting his apology for his behavior. However, as the text and voicemails just keep coming in, she begins to realize how crazy he may be.
She's
What you're
vegan.
about to hear are some audio clips from different voicemails he's left on her phone after she had stopped answering him.
Hey, Kayla. Listen, I I want to make sure you're not too worried about what happened at the party last week. I had an amazing time, and I think, God, I think you're goddamn beautiful.
Crazy bitch.
I want to be there for you, and I can't get you out of my fucking head, and I want to be there for you. God damn it. So, God damn it. All I can do is think of you. I want to be with you. I want to be with you. I want to be your friend rider, and I want to be everything for you.
There's that 27 again.
You're fucking amazing. You are amazing. You're my knight in shining armor, and I'm so fucking terrified of you.
This video, I'm terrified
New Tokyo
of.
Australia.
Very disturbing.
Just call me back. No, I lied. I'm not gonna give you space. I'm sorry. I'm over. I know you're up.
Of course he's gonna come over your house.
God, I'm not sorry. God, I'm coming over. I'm already driving. I've been driving the whole time. God damn it. I'm coming over. I'm not gonna give you space. I know you called me back. I saw it. Yep. I know you're up thinking about me. God damn it. Oh, God damn it. I'm coming over. One way or another, I'm coming over. Whatever. However, whatever. God, I'm coming over.
This person is insane. This person needs psychological help.
Damn it. I'll see ya. Bye. I love you.
Random. He's drunk. Well,
I am crazy. God damn it. What? You. I'm driving to the field. God damn it. Bring my dad's car. You.
this is disturbing. This one.
I'm crazy for you. God damn it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I am crazy.
These are the people that are very like, you need to be self-aware of. You need to like take action. You can't just ignore these things because these obsessions drive people to want to kill somebody. And this happens on a lot of occasions. There's been, like, especially with celebrities, there's been a lot of occasions where celebrities have died because of incidents like these. Like, the whole Selena thing. You remember her, that girl? Wasn't it like her best friend or something? Her friend was like 50 or something. And didn't she like murder her or something? Like, people. Oh, and the other one, what was it? Christina Grammy, I think her name was. Didn't she get like shot in the head one time while she was like doing autographs and she got killed? Yeah, you need to be self aware of these things. These things can get you killed. This is not something to joke about. This person obviously needs help. They're deluding themselves. You know, they're not thinking straight. This is scary. So far, the scariest video. It is number one on the list, so I'm not surprised. What the fuck? He started. Like, did you hear him? What the fuck? Like, listen to his voice. Creep ass. Oh, I got chills. No, I'm good. Oh, you're on your own. That's not creepy at all.
The footage of him showing up to Kayla's house was right after one of his phone calls saying he's coming over, even though it was clear by this point she wanted nothing to do with him. Eventually, Kayla and her friend Ravon would find out that Thomas wasn't even his real name. His real name is Matthew.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't believing he's
Punisher. Thomas was a reference to Thomas Jane, the second actor to play the Punisher, and Castle was a reference to Frank Castle, the Punisher's last name. The fact alone that he had been using a fake name with his friend and supposed love of his life was already a huge red flag. It may be a sign that he was
big red flag.
The ring footage was taken at 2 in the morning, and after leaving, he would go on.
What is it with people ringing at 2 o'clock in the morning?
4 days after this footage was taken, Kayla and her friend went to the police and filed for a restraining order. He left her alone about a month or so after the restraining order was put into place. Caleb blocked his number and blocked him on social media, and reportedly, he basically disappeared from the world. No one knows where he is now.
Yeah. As long as he's far away from her as possible. That one was very disturbing. Especially that last video. That last video gave me the fucking chills. I got chills down my spine. Imagine me, though, being in that situation. I'd be scared, scarred out of my life. Yeah, what we learned. Never trust anybody. Never trust your instincts to go open the door at 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, because you never know what someone's intentions are. They could have a gun at you. They could be like this guy, just obsessed with you, have a obsessive, I think it's obsessive love disorder. Obsessed love disorder, I think that's what it's called. Or it's called an old. That's what it's called, an old. You can look it up. You never know what someone's intentions are. They could be a nice person. They could be a harmless person. I definitely would not be answering the door after 10 o'clock. If it's past 10 o'clock, I would be answering the door. It's too late to answer the door by then. To me, I've got the chills just thinking about it as it is. I don't even have a doorbell camera. I probably should, but you know, just in case crazy shit like this happens. But you know, I've got chills down my spine. And that other one with that face mask person. Imagine you're looking at, you at your phone, right? And you looked at it and you saw that thing staring back at you. Woo! I that I'm already freaked out enough as it is. I don't need somebody staring back at me. And that person that was naked, there was more to that story. They were obviously on something, but there was more to that story. You know what the life lesson is? Don't check your doorbell after 10 o'clock. And I wouldn't be opening your door if you already have a doorbell camera and a device to look through it. And I wouldn't be opening my doorbell at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's my advice to you. Don't open your door at 2 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, please subscribe, turn the notification, and click the bell beside you. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.